All right, guys, this is a bit of a fun one here. This is a setting that we've messed with before in the past for a different issue, but this is applying in the opposite direction. So in the past, I produced a video that was talking about how to enable IOMMU for the 256 thread server. What occurs is without IOMMU enabled, you can't reach that 256 thread mark. What I didn't know, and honestly took me quite a while to figure out, is that if you're running multiple GPUs, you can get garbage outputs from the GPUs. So what you'll do is you'll create your prompt inside one single GPU for your large language model. That runs just fine. Everything turns out normal responses. You stretch that out into more than one GPU, and all of a sudden you're getting random characters. There's no coherency. It's just random. And so I dug and dug and dug and dug and dug on this one, and then finally found a couple of people talking about it kind of in passing. And then if you look inside the AMD documentation here, buried deep down inside, you'll find this tuning option here that says IOMMU to be disabled. Now, what this means is if your server is not a 256 thread or greater server, you want to turn IOMMU off. So with the IOMMU turned off, that allows the GPUs to touch the memory directly instead of virtualizing it. And when they can touch it directly, they're being able to get those input outputs fast enough that it actually returns logical results. So to get there, let's go back a couple here. So you'll go to System Options, and then we want to go to Virtualization Options, and we're going to disable this middle one here, Intel RVT-D. This guy will turn off IOMMU. I'm disabling the other two just on principle, but with these in the disabled mode, I'm now able to run 3 MI100s, and I'm returning good results out of all 3. So this is the key sticking point here. I really didn't know that this was a thing, but and this does not just apply to the MI100s. This actually applied to the 4070 Supers I was running. I just didn't realize it at the time. I thought I was continuously running into out-of-memory errors because I didn't have enough RAM, whereas in reality, it was this IOMMU that was causing the issues. So with that said, this should be a pretty straightforward one. I did not see a lot of documentation on it, so I wanted to make a quick video that said, hey, here's how this works. Thanks.